Got fibroids? Got cysts? Got endometriosis? Is your gynecologist telling you that you need to have a hysterectomy? Are you seriously considering going through with it? Stop. Give us just a few moments of your time and we'll expose a most sinister, underlying motive that your trusted doctor will never share with you. Ready? Okay, let's go. The United States performs more hysterectomies than any other country in the world. There are over 600,000 hysterectomies performed in the United States each year. At least 300,000 out of those 600,000 hysterectomies are due to uterine fibroids. 78% of all hysterectomies are performed on African American women. That's an astounding 468,000 African American hysterectomies per year, and 234,000 of them are due to fibroids. According to a report published by Obstetrics and Gynecology, 75% of hysterectomies do not follow the ACOG guidelines, meaning 75% of all hysterectomy surgeries are unnecessary. So what are those clandestine motives? Well, first, we'll give you the facts. Hysterectomies cost US patients over $5 billion per year just for the procedure. An additional $5 billion is spent annually on the hormone therapy following surgery. Hormone therapy has been conclusively proven to cause breast and ovarian cancer. Numbers never lie, so let's do some quick math. $5 billion per year on the hysterectomy procedure. 78% is spent by African American women. That's 78% of $5 billion equals $3.9 billion. Now, there being 468,000 African American hysterectomies per year, so that's $3.9 billion divided by 468,000, drumroll please, that's $8,333 on average per hysterectomy. And let's not forget the ongoing post-surgical hormone therapy, which will cost an additional $8,333 per year. Our young women visit their physicians with complaints about cramps and heavy bleeding during menses. These are the two most common and early symptoms of fibroids. 95% of patients with these symptoms are not tested to detect possible fibroids. A simple change in diet would eliminate the developing fibroids and save thousands of dollars, not to mention the impending pain and suffering. Instead, they're mostly prescribed estrogenic contraceptive pills to regulate their cycles. Problem number 1. Fibroids, cysts, and endometriosis absolutely thrive off of estrogen, and so over time develop into full-size mature tumors. At this stage, there are few other options for hysterectomy. A myomectomy is the surgical removal of just the fibroids depending on their size and location. Unfortunately, not many gynecologists are skilled enough to perform this procedure and will recommend hysterectomy to save face. As a result, myomectomies costs more, the national minimum cost being $10,000. Another technique is uterine artery embolization, UAE, or uterine fibroid embolization, UFE. This is an interventional radiologist's procedure that causes the blood supply feeding uterine fibroids to be cut off by the placement of very small polyvinyl balls into the uterine arteries, so the starved fibroid dies and shrinks. This procedure has its dangers and is seldomly offered as gynecologists do not perform them and will lose the surgical fee involved. A normal hysterectomy or myomectomy with no complications can cost up to $42,619, according to a recent article published in the American Journal of Gynecologists. Authorities and gynecologists claim they still don't know the cause of fibroids. They claim they don't know how to prevent them. They claim they only know how to treat or surgically remove them. Do you get the picture? The good news is, you most probably don't need surgery or any other surgical procedure. That's right. No matter what their size, surgery is not always required to shrink or even totally eliminate your fibroids or cysts. The human body is a remarkable instrument that can heal itself given the correct nutrition and lifestyle. Electricphood has developed an all-natural, female reproductive detox that is totally non-intrusive and non-invasive to support your uterus in fighting unwanted growths. Our Her Elimination Kit may be the solution that you've been looking for. Her Elimination Kit has thousands of testimonials from around the world attesting that it can assist your body in naturally eliminating unwanted uterine and ovarian growths in as little as 40 days. Imagine without any incisions, surgeries, or any other complicated procedure, you could be comfortably free of your fibroids, cysts, and endometriosis. Swipe up for more information on her elimination kit. No more cramps, no more discomfort, no more painful sex, no more heavy bleeding, no more suffering, just a balanced and a healthier you. Start eliminating today. www.fibroidelimination.com